Hello, how are you? Did you enjoy your Easter holidays? Yes? No? Well, today we are going to do another class. And wait a second. Wow! This is going to be my friend today, R2D2. And wait a second. BB8. We are going to be my assistants. Okay? Let's start. Today we are going to learn two words, tall and short. Tall and short. Look, this is the example that I'm going to show you. R2D2 and BB8. R2D2 is tall. BB8 is short. Again. R2D2 is tall. BB8 is short. Now it's your turn. Try to find something at home, okay? Try to find two things or people, okay? And then you have to say if they are tall or short. Come on, do it! Bye-bye! 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 Hello, R2D2, how are you? Come on, are you happy? No? Are you gay? Hello, BB8. I have a question for you. What? Where are you going? Come here. Did you like the class? Yes? Very good. Okay, so... Are you happy, BB8? Yes? Okay. Well, this is today's class. See you soon. Bye-bye. BB8, say something. Come on. What? He doesn't want to talk? Well, I'll see you next week, okay? Bye-bye.